Good afternoon to all. So we are going to start our third session. The resource person is Hussein. Hussein, you please present. I should say vacancy.
Yeah, thank you, madam. Screen continue. Continue. ಏನೇನೋ ಗೊತ್ತು. Good afternoon, all. Ma'am, you are hearing, ma'am?
Yeah, we can hear you, Hussein.
Welcome to all for this session. Hope you have had good lunch. Thank you, Nida, giftable team for this giving opportunity for this session. I hope everybody actively participate for this session. I myself, Khaja Hussain, I am a early interventionist. The last 3 years, 3.5 years, I am working in early intervention department, APD, Bangalore. So today's learning object is what is early intervention and its principles, and who, why, and when require early intervention. What is the neuroplasticity? So early intervention means early is refers to the most critical period of the child's development, 0 to 3 years, and intervention means given child a variety of opportunity and experience, explore the play with things around. So it's from 0 to 6 years. So in early intervention, we are working through transdisciplinary holistic approach. It means coordinated service which include physiotherapy, occupational therapy, speech therapy, special inclusive education, and promote child's age-appropriate developmental milestone through playway method. So in early intervention, according to IDEA Act, we have 7 key principles. IDEA is the Individualized Educational Disability Act. In this act, we have 7 key principles. First principle says early intervention and infants and toddlers learn best through everyday experience and interaction intervention with familiar people in familiar contexts. I hope you learned our morning session, Divya Madam session, infants and toddlers child development. So in that children will learn about learn through experience and interaction with familiar people. So this principle says the children will learn through experience and interactions. So second principle says all families necessary supports and resource can be given through the children learning and development of the children. So we have to give for all we have to give the families with necessary supports and resource. We have to be provide the child's learning and development. So that principle says the primary role of the service provider in early intervention is to work with the child support and family members and caregivers. We had our role is to work with early intervention is to with the child and support the family members. So this is the one of the rule, and this is the one of the principles in IDEA Act. And fourth principle says the early intervention process from initial context through the transition must be dynamic. Our intervention must be dynamic and individualized to reflect the child's and family members' preference and learning styles and
इसका
cultural
लिंक
benefits.
हमने ईमेल में दिया है.
So fifth principle says IFSP. IFSP is nothing but individual family support plan. This outcome must be functional and based on children's and families' needs and priorities. Our outcome must be functional and based on children's and families' needs and priorities. So this is fifth principles, and sixth principle says the family priorities, needs, and interest are addressed most appropriately by the primary provider. So it means we have to give priorities of needs and interest of the families. So seventh principles, all intervention with young, this intervention with young children, family members must be based on validated practices, based available research and relevant laws and regulations. These all interventions are in validated practices, based available research and relevant laws and regulations.
Private school teacher.
Very good, very good.
So I hope you all understand this. If you are not understand, please let me know in chat box. I will explain.
Same. चेंज फर्स्ट सिलेक्शन था सर।
तुम बहुत देखने के
एक आंसर होने के बाद दूसरा
Hello.
Yes, Hussein.
Yes, it is. Anybody's question, ma'am, in chat box.
Yeah.
Just can you tell me a questions, ma'am? Something else. I can't be see here.
You have to explain again. They're asking. Please explain
Okay, ma'am.
all the principles. Hello.
Yes.
They are asking to explain about the seven principles, and they are asking what is the meaning of functional outcome also. Two things they have been asked.
Okay. Seventh principle says intervention with young children and family members must be based on explicit principles. Validated means it is our intervention. It is a validated practices based available research and relevant laws and regulations. It's our intervention must be laws and regulations that we are following in available research in IDEA Acts.
Okay. And one more Sohini have asked what is meaning of function outcome. Function
What is it?
outcome. No. Another person asked Sohini. She asked what is the meaning of functional outcomes. Shall I explain?
Yes, sir, please, sir.
Okay, the function outcome when you do the IFSC in the family support plan, the goal setting. So the goal will be based on the activity, like the child is eating, you have to make them independent eating or toilet dressing. So based on that, you have to set the goal, and the goal what you're setting, the achievement would be the child should eat independently, the child should go toilet independently. So that is the functional outcome. For that, you have to involve the parents. Without the parents' help, you cannot achieve the outcome. So that we call as functional outcome. Hope you understand, Swami.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Diraga sir.
Yes, continue.
Yes. So my screen is visible, sir.
is going very fast, right?
No, Hussein, your screen is not visible.
Okay. From is not satisfied. Go on.
One second.
Landed. You log into your phone. You should share. I log into your phone. Anything is an answer.
This is a lot of questions.
Now, ma'am.
Yes, it's visible now, sir.
Thank you. So next we who, why, and when require early intervention. It means I hope you learn morning session, Divyam section about normal child development. If child is delay in one domain, it's called developmental delay. If child is more than one developmental delay, it's called global developmental delay. So if delay is identified immediately so we had to start immediately immediately we had to start early intervention. So what happens if there is a damage in the brain? If impairment in the function, that is control. If impairment happen in the function, so that it's called control. The damage will be increased. So levels of impairment depends upon type of location and severity of injury. So what is neuroplasticity? If you so it is nothing but, so if neurons connect in developmental and global developmental children, that neuron connect brain cells connections are less. You can see in second picture. After intervention, that neuron cells will be connection will be increasing. So that's called neuroplasticity. So ability of the brain to form and recognize synaptic connections, especially in the response to learning and experience or following injuries. So in here, neuroplasticity and early intervention, if you are seeing here, basic neuroplasticity types are there. So in first, this is before experience, this is after experience, and chemical changes, it will be happen after experience. If child is the global developmental, that chemical experience are less. After intervention, that chemical changes will be more. In second types, structure changes means global developmental child brain structure will be small. After the intervention, that structure will be increase. And third picture, if you are seeing here, that functional change, it will after intervention, that functional ability will be increasing. After, before intervention, it is that functional changes are less. Yes, sir. Thank you. If any doubts in this, please ask me, anyone. Jyotika ma'am, Niraga sir.
Sir, hello sir, can you please explain neuroplasticity again?
Ma'am?
Sir, can you please explain neuroplasticity again?
Yeah, ma'am, sorry. Neuroplasticity is nothing, ma'am. If neuron brain cells connections, ma'am, if the ability of the brain to form and recognize synaptic connections, especially the response to learning and experience or following injuries. If that you can see here in the first picture, second picture, that neuron cells connections are less in global developmental children. After the intervention, that connection, the brain cells connections are will be increased. That's called neuroplasticity, ma'am. This is a chemical changes, this is a structure changes, and this is a functional changes. After early intervention services, there that can be increase the functional and structure and chemical changes. Hope you are understand, ma'am. Do you have doubts, ma'am? Anyone having, please ask me doubts if anything have to be explained. Jitika ma'am, can you go next?
Yeah.
Yeah, there are in chat box some questions are coming or not, ma'am?
No.
Yeah, I know.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Could you please explain some examples of structural changes and functional changes?
Yeah, ma'am. So structure change means in neuroplasticity, before intervention, the child brain structure what will be there in neuron cells are less. In you can see here this picture, like this second picture, that structure what will be lesser, the connectivities are less. After the intervention, the structure will be increase. So that neuron connections are after intervention, that neuron connections are increasing, that structure will be high.
Okay, structure in terms of neurons.
Sir, madam?
Structure in terms of neurons you are talking about.
Yes, madam.
Okay.
I think you finished, Hussein, right? Hussein, unmute yourself, please. Can you hear me, Hussein? If somebody have any question, they can ask. And Hussein, please unmute yourself.
I think there is might be an internet issue with him. Just to answer, I think he could just answer the structural part. The functional part is functionality is nothing but to a meaningful activity for a child, which a child can do. For example, there is no meaning if a child just plays just learns about some color concept like a ball is red or anything. It's only meaningful for a child if the child is able to perform an activity with someone else. Like if the child is able to throw the ball and play with each other, then that becomes functional. Similarly, with activities of daily living, like if the child is just going to use a pegboard, then there is no functional meaning in using a pegboard. But if the child is able to put an object in a box and close the box, and that becomes functional. So what happens with neuroplasticity is, with early intervention, using puzzles or using pegboards, we teach the child on how to use the object and place the object. Then repetition of that meaningful functional activities. Rather than using a pegboard, we will ask a child to put a ball in the basket and close the basket. We'll tell the child that this ball has to be inside, after play it has to go inside. And then you do a number of repetitions to achieve that activity. Once that is achieved, then the child learns the function of opening and closing. So that is what this functionality means in neuroplasticity. I hope whoever has asked the question have answered the question.
Oh, yes, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hussein, I think we lost you. You can continue further. Thanks.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. So after few minutes, I will send the assessment form. You please fill up it and send it back. Thank you. And try to send it as early as possible, so that we can give you the CRE certificate and all. Thank you.
So is the session over?
Yeah, ma'am, the session is over, and I have sent you the form also. You can fill it up and send it back. Thank you. Hussein. Yeah, after few minutes you are going to discuss the feedback. That one, what is it? Assessment, na? Okay. You are nervous or what? Yeah, me also. I don't know what I will do tomorrow. It's okay. It is good only, but it finished too early, na? Yeah, it's okay. Ma'am explains, sir also explain. It's okay, and they are not listening also. I know need to few are listening. No problem. Okay. Bye. Don't worry. It's okay. Bye. It's okay. No problem. Bye.